Upping the ante against the Siddaramaiah Sarkar in Karnataka, the BJP making an explosive charge. The Bharatiya Janata Party says, and I quote it here first, deaths even before the bash started. Now, the Bharatiya Janata Party is alleging that the Chief Minister went ahead with the celebration while the deaths were happening and was known to the government. The BJP is adding Siddaramaiah went to the hotel before the hospital, that they knew clearly that a stampede had broken out and yet they went ahead with the celebration at the Chinnaswamy Stadium. Here's what the BJP has said. They are now charging at the Siddaramaiah Sarkar for their insensitivity, lack of empathy at a time when clearly there were children, women, men caught in the stampede. And how? Of course, by now, remember, 11 confirmed deaths. We've been able to find out the identity of these individuals. I want to bring in my colleague Sagai Raj for the latest on this. Sagai, 24 hours ago, it was supposed to be a happy, great, unforgettable moment for Karnataka, for Bengaluru, but it turned out to be horrific instead. How is the BJP indulging in a political showdown here? Why are they charging at the Siddaramaiah Sarkar over going ahead with the bash?
Opposition will definitely try to take political mileage out of this, and they have asked relevant questions to the government, and they should ask at this point of time. They should be the voice of the people who have disease. And if you notice that 11 people were being killed, and the parents are asking why the government allowed them. Most of the kids who had left their house and came to be a part of this particular celebration have lied in their family to their family members, stating that they have gone to school. One person have mentioned that he is going to collect transfer certificate. One person has mentioned that he had to apply for a college.
Stay on with me. BJP State Unit Chief B.Y. Vijendra is speaking right now. Let's listen into him.
Family members, and the force was not prepared at Chinnaswamy Stadium, where more than 2 lakh people had gathered. 1.5 to 2 lakh RCP fans had gathered near the Chinnaswamy Stadium, and all the police forces were here near Vidhan Soudha. Is it not the failure of the state government? And when stampede is going on, Chief Minister, their cabinet colleagues are busy taking selfies with the IPL, with the RCP players. Such an insensitive attitude of the entire cabinet, when more than 6 deaths has already taken place around 4:15, 4:30, Chief Minister and cabinet colleagues are busy taking selfies with the players. And for your kind information, when RCB players were aware of the stampede, were aware of the information, when RCB was aware that more than 11 deaths has taken place, because of the insistence of the state government, victory celebration was carried out. Such an insensitive decision by the state government. So I demand Chief Minister Siddaramaiah inquiry by a district commissioner, inquiry by a magistrate is not the demand by the BJP. If at all if this government is serious, proper investigation has been carried out by a sitting High Court judge or by Chief Justice himself. Because you can't expect a district commissioner, a magistrate to summon Chief Minister or Deputy Chief Minister or a Home Minister for that matter. Because in this case, this is not a case of unnatural death as claimed by the police, Kaban Park police. This is not a case of unnatural death. More than 11 innocent lives has lost because of the irresponsibility of the state government, because of the irresponsibility of the Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister and their cabinet colleagues. So investigation by a sitting High Court judge is the demand made by Bharatiya Janata Party. DC cannot summon Chief Minister or Deputy Chief Minister. Secondly, the compensation aspect. When a person lost his life in Kerala due to elephant stampede, Karnataka announced 25 lakh compensation for the person who died in Kerala. My question is, when a person in Kerala gets 25 lakh compensation due to elephant stampede incident, why not 50 lakh rupees compensation for the deaths that has taken place due to irresponsibility of the state government? So I demand Chief Minister Siddaramaiah to release at least 50 lakh compensation for the innocent lives for the families, and Chief Minister should also intervene and demand the owners of the RCB, who might be in Dubai or London, we are not aware of, they should also release the compensation for the victims. So finally, our demand is investigation by the sitting High Court judge. Compensation has to be given at least 50 lakhs by the state government. And Chief Minister and their cabinet colleagues should not try to escape from the responsibility. They should take up the responsibility. Yesterday, CM was trying to blame on KSCA. Chief Minister in his press meet was trying to blame Karnataka State Cricket Association. This is not what people of Karnataka or the country expects. They should own the responsibility. They should take up the responsibility because of the lack of incompetitiveness of the state government. It's a criminal misconduct on the part of the state government. Hence, I demand investigation by the sitting High Court judge.
So two things, sir. Families of the ministers were also had access to the Vidhan Sabha stage here. Minister Zamir Ahmad Khan's son was also seen on the stage behind Kohli. When common people were suffering in the stampede, the minister's son...
Three gates of Vidhan Sabha were locked yesterday.
And ministers' children had access to the stage. How do you see this?
See, yesterday there was a security lapse as well, because High Court as well as Vidhan Sabha and Raj Bhavan, it's a high security zone. Who gave permission for the drones? Was this drone from the state government or by a private agency? How did they give permission for drones? Secondly, entire crowd were upset near Vidhan Sabha. All the gates were closed. People were rushing to enter inside Vidhan Sabha premises, and only Chief Minister and their cabinet colleagues and the family members busy taking selfie with the players. People or publics are, RCB fans are literally throwing slippers. They are pelting stones. And the family members of the ruling dispensation are busy taking selfies. Such an insensitive government this is. And worst part...
All right, so that is B.Y. Vijendra. He's the state BJP unit chief. And what he's basically asking is that there needs to be an inquiry directly that should knock at the door of the Chief Minister, Siddaramaiah. He's saying a sitting High Court judge needs to have and initiate this inquiry. It shouldn't be simply done by a magistrate, but also clearly alleging at this juncture as BJP in opposition that this is the fault that lies with the Chief Minister, Siddaramaiah, and the Deputy CM as well. Now, remember the visuals that have come in of the garlanding, the celebration. The BJP alleges that this was after the stampede had happened.